Welcome to Spend Habits, a personal informatics app that helps you track your spending behavior. Spend Habits is not another budget application where you can check your account balance or plan out your monthly expenditure, but you should rather consider it as a way to know more about yourself. In Spend Habits, we emphasize on the context of your everyday transactions regarding the exact place and the exact time. So, let's have a closer look on our app. First, we'll see how you can collect your data. Every time you buy something with your card, a notification comes from the bank. In order to make things easier for you, all the information needed is already filled out. You can either save the transaction immediately, or if you feel that something is wrong, you can edit it. This way, you can store all your transactions immediately with only 2 taps. Now, let's see the main core of our application. In case you decided to pay something in cash, you can add this transaction here. Date and time are set to current, but you can also edit them. As concerns the rest of the fields, you can fill them out really quickly. Our app uses all the data collected, so self-reflection can lead to self-knowledge. In the home page, you can also choose between 2 different visualizations, the map view and the time graph. The map view is a standard Google map where your transactions are pinned as dollar markers. Each marker corresponds to a specific address. You tap on a marker and you see in the info box the total amount spent per category in this store. The default view shows transactions you made this month. You can also have a look on what happened yesterday or today. Let's go to the graph view now. Here you see your expenses versus the hour of the day. You can see that at 4 p.m. for example, your total expenses is 360 kroner, of which 286 were spent on groceries, while 74 for transport. The default view here shows your overall behavior since you started using this app. The idea behind this design is to provide to the user both short-term and long-term reflection. The map view targets more to short-term feedback, while the chart reveals long-term patterns. Thank you for watching our video.